Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Jambulkar. In this video, we will see the relational and boolean expressions in programming languages. Many people think relational and boolean expressions are same, but they are not same. Both are different. So in simple words, I will tell what is the difference. So relational expressions means expression something like this: A greater than B, or A less than B, or A greater than is equal to B, or A is equal to B. So where some comparison is done, all these expressions are called as relational expressions, and these are the operators that we use here. Output of relational expressions is boolean value. So it can be 1 or it can be 0 or it can be true or it can be false. So basically this is the comparison, and such kind of expressions are called a relational expression where some comparison is done. While boolean expressions are those expressions where we use boolean operators. For example, a, b are 1, 0, something like that. So and or, so for example I take this or. So where these boolean operators are used, these are the boolean expressions. One thing is important in boolean expression. Here the operands that we use in boolean expression are the boolean values. So it can be these are mentioned in terms of 1 and 0. Even operands that we use in boolean operators, we can mention or we can use relational expressions as an operand in boolean expression. For example, see, so I can use a greater than b here, and I can use this here. So why can how I can use this? Because output of relational expression. So here this is the relational expression, and this is the completely it is a boolean expression, while these are the relational expression. So output of a relational expression is a boolean value. It is a true or false, or it is a 1 or 0. So we can use a relational expression as a operand for boolean expression, as these are the boolean values. Output of this is a boolean value. Now see, so some examples from programming languages. So see, for not equal to. So in C-based languages, C-based languages means C, C++, Objective C. So those C-based languages, not equal to symbol is like this. So this is the relational expression. So we are talking about the relational expressions, comparison expressions. So here you can see not equal to is used in C language. So symbol for this is this. While in Ada language, for not equal to, this is the symbol it is used, or this is the operator it is used. In Lua language, it is this. Fortran 95 plus is this, or this. And in ML and F sharp language is this. In JavaScript and PHP, for equal to and not equal to, there are two symbols. So see, this is also equal to, and this is also equal to. This is not equal to, and this is also not equal to. But there is some difference. So here you can see. So if we compare this and this, so basically this is the string. As we have mentioned in double quote, this is the string, while this is the number. But in JavaScript and PHP, this will return true. So actually it is the course. It is get converted to number and then it is compared. So this is called as a coercion. This concept is called as a coercion. So this get coerced to number, and then it get compared to this whenever we are using this operator double equal to. While when we use this triple equal to, when we use triple equal to like this. So output of this is false. So at that time it is considered as a string while this is considered as a number. So we are talking about JavaScript and PHP language. So here there are two operators. So this is also equal to, this is also equal to, this is not equal to, this is also not equal to. What is the difference? This is the difference. So if it is a double equal to, so it value get coarse to number, and these both are considered as the same, and that's why we get true output. While when we use this triple equal to this, so at that time both will be considered as a different one. So this will be considered as a string, this will be considered as a number, and that's why both are not same, and that's why it is the false. Now see, if we consider the precedence, so the relational operators always have lower precedence than the arithmetic operators. So for example, here you can see. So this is a relational operator. Here we are doing some comparison. That's why it is a relational operator. And here this is an arithmetic operator. So here this has the highest precedence. These arithmetic expressions or arithmetic operators have the highest precedence compared to relational operators. So this will be evaluated first, and then this relational operator is applied. Now we'll talk about the Boolean expressions. So already I have told for Boolean expressions, whatever the operands are there. So how Boolean expressions are made? This is the Boolean operator, and this is the operands. So what can be the operands? So in Boolean expressions, operands can be Boolean variables, Boolean constants. Constants are also called as literals. Literals means constant only. Even we can use relational expressions. So example I have told, these are the relational expressions. We can use relational expressions as operands in Boolean expressions. So these are the relational expressions, and this combinedly it is a Boolean expression. So operands can be Boolean variables, Boolean constants, and relational expressions. And along with that, there is a Boolean operator. So what are the Boolean operators we can use? And or not. These are the Boolean operators. And sometimes we also use exclusive or. Now see, this is a combinedly for C-based languages. So these are the precedence rules. So here you can see. So this is for all arithmetic, relational, and Boolean operators. So here you can see postfix, increment, and decrement. They have the highest precedence. After that, unary plus minus, then a prefix, increment, decrement, and this is negation. So after that, after this, they have the highest precedence, and all those are mentioned in the same line. They have the same precedence. So they have these are same precedence. These have same precedence. These have same precedence. These have same precedence. While those are mentioned on the top, they have the highest precedence compared to the those are written at the down at the bottom. So they have the highest precedence, second highest precedence, third highest precedence. So in third we have multiplication, division, and modulus. After that, binary, that is addition, subtraction. After that, this relational operator. So arithmetic expressions have the higher precedence, and after that we have the precedence for relational expressions or relational operators. So less than equal to, greater than equal to, then equal to, that's the assignment symbol, then not equal to, then Boolean expressions, Boolean operators. So and or. So likewise. So these have the highest precedence and these have the lowest precedence. Here is the get incremented while precedence get decremented on this side. So in this way we have relational and Boolean expression. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notification of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.